Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to copy a group link on Facebook using your Android device. This updated method is straightforward and perfect for sharing your favorite groups with friends or family. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your groups. Step 2. Navigate to the group. Next, find the Facebook group you want to copy the link for. You can do this by tapping on Groups in the menu or searching for the group directly. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots. Once you're in the group, look for the 3 horizontal dots located in the top right corner of the page. This will open a menu with various options. Step 4. Select Share. From the menu that appears, tap on the Share option. This will allow you to access more sharing features. Step 5. Tap on Copy Link. Finally, tap on Copy Link. This action will copy the group's URL to your clipboard, making it easy to share wherever you want. And that's it. You've successfully copied the group link on Facebook. Whether you want to share it via message, email, or any social media platform. This quick method makes it easy to connect others with the groups you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.